And our school is one of the leading provider of IT education in Australia since 2008. We have diverse staff pool and academics who are working in emerging areas such as machine learning, data mining, robotics, okay, cybersecurity itself, Internet of Things, these sort of areas as to do research in. And then, of course, okay, they gain that valuable experience while doing their research to basically go and teach in those areas as well. We have got academics who are working in cybersecurity, software development, okay, data analytics, okay, is a very, very fascinating sort of a area nowadays, okay, and that is also driving a lot of interest in AI as well. So we have got academics to basically do teaching in all those disciplines as well. We actually run under the umbrella, we run our research under the umbrella of Data Science and Engineering Research Unit. We call it DSERU. That also links back to some of the institutes that we have within the universities, like what one of the institute we have on the left side, you can see it, AI and Cyber Future Institute. Okay, there where primarily the research happens in area of AI and cybersecurity. We also have got institute in rural health, as well as the name stands, okay, and says, okay, so most of the research happens over there in health sciences sort of area. And then we also have got Gulbali Institute. Okay, Gulbali Institute is where most of our research is focused around agriculture domain. And then, of course, we are a part of some big funding bodies around the globe and within Australia as well. Funding bodies like Food Agility and Cyber Security CRCs and Soil CRCs that actually fund a lot of big projects, okay, where our academics get involved into and learn. They come back and actually impart the knowledge through teaching as well. They are working in diverse sort of fields, as I said, okay, data mining, AI, computer vision, forensics in cybersecurity. So if we see information technology as a discipline, okay, and how it is tracking, okay, in terms of the global demand, there is a huge demand of professionals, okay, in areas of cybersecurity, data science, and AI is also coming into the picture. Network engineering and software development sort of areas are also in demand in countries like in Australia, where there is huge demand for jobs in those sort of areas. So there is a lot of opportunities in the job market, as you can see. Certainly, all are predicted to have high job growth in the next 5 years. And some of the possible career opportunities, depending on what sort of area student would like to pursue, may include data engineers, data scientists, okay, business intelligence developers, okay, and machine learning engineers. So a huge demand here in Australian job market. So students have a choice to select one of the 5 specializations, okay, as you can see it here on the screen, include work integrated learning as a work placement relative to the specialization that you are doing, and they are in demand in terms of the job market here in Australia. So course itself is specifically being designed for international students, and key focus has been put on making them job ready, and employability skills for our graduates is at the forefront of everything. The course actually provides the student that theoretical and practical understanding of IT and has a strong focus on work integrated learning. Course also reward high performing students by providing an option to undertake research pathway that can lead towards a PhD as well. At the course entry requirement itself, a completed bachelor's degree or higher qualification from a recognized Australian tertiary education is needed, and a ALT score of 6, no band less than 6 or equivalent as well. The course has got compulsory units where students are actually working on their professional skills or employability skills. Okay. And as a part of building those attributes into our graduates, okay, we have actually created a professional stream where we have been actually delivering short sort of boot camps to prepare our students for their life after graduation. So these boot camps actually involve meeting with industry, workshops have been arranged on career development, professional development activities, and also hearing from the past alumni, okay, who have already graduated from those programs. Okay, here are some of the organizations who have supported our graduates by providing placement and employment opportunities as well over the past few years. And I think it's a very good opportunity to our students to be able to show their talent, okay? And the people who have got talent can be basically get employed after they graduate as well. Course is offered in 3 locations, okay? One is option is that people can come and study in scenic Port Macquarie campus, where I am located, okay? And also students have got a choice to be able to basically pick 2 of the metro campuses that we have in Sydney and Melbourne. So what is special about Port Macquarie? It is one of the Australia's beautiful regional town with amazing beaches and rainforest, okay? Approximately around 140 students, okay, from our master's program who have graduated from our Port Macquarie campus. We initially had its first launch in 2017. So we already have got a well-established international cohort up here in Port Macquarie campus. And of course, what we offer here is smaller class sizes, okay, and we are selective in terms of student coming to this campus as well, okay, to create that vibe of being able to basically work very closely with your teachers, okay, in a classroom setting. We had a lot of students already graduated, okay, and they came from all over the world, okay. And now since some of them have already graduated, okay, they have moved on to some other, cities and all that stuff. But some of them are still here and have been able to actually find employment up here as well, okay. If we can keep on moving, we have got Awais is working as a system engineer in extranet, okay. Initially graduated from computer networking and network security specialization in 2020. Sebastian, okay, from Colombia. Sebastian graduated from data science and software specialization, okay, and he is currently actually working as a lecturer, okay, in one of the institute here in Sydney. Daniel from Iran as well. He's working as a senior mobile developer in Rocket, who actually create CRMs, okay, so customer relationship management systems. I feel very proud of sharing some stories of our graduates. Okay, just recently. Sebastian, that you saw in the previous slide, and another graduate of ours, Ayush, actually got picked to work with myself and Dr. Rehman, okay, who is a very active researcher in the area of data science, to do aged care project. Okay, so both of them actually got hired by the university as a research assistant. Okay, I mean, one of the reasons I decided to basically put all of these things together, okay, to showcase this, that okay, one thing, and that is that deserving students actually get a lot of opportunities as they finish their course, okay, and get pushed by industries, universities, okay, to get full-time employments.